doing it.
Boy, what a day.
Yeah. Perfect.
So where are we?
Basin Cascades Trail in Franconia.
And where are we going?
Lonesome Lake.
All right.
Slow and easy.
Let's have fun.
Yeah. 3 feet of snow right there?
Oh, definitely. Looks like 5.
Nice. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Rosie, stay, wait, Rose. Rosie, wait.
Hi, Rosie.
Come here, babe. Come here. Rosie, over here,
She's so
babe.
mellow, huh?
She is, I know. She's like ready to take a...
Enjoyed it real good.